I have come through few lines which are very important and I thought to share with you guys as well. The lines go like that, if you have no results, you have to keep working. If you are getting bad results, you have to keep working. And even if you have gotten good results, you have to keep working. In all three cases, you have to work because consistency is the key. If there is no result for longer time, you have to go on, you have to keep on working because duration will decide the results. Your long term goal will not be achieved by shortcut, any shortcut or for short time. If you will put work for some longer time, results will be longer and results will be greater. So you have to work if there are no results. You just have to check the progress of yourself. And also secondly, if there comes a bad result, if you do a mistake or if there is bad result by any chance, you don't have to stop, you have to try again and you have to work again and you have to reach your goal. If you will not work, then you will not achieve your goal. And thirdly, if there is good result, you have to work because you don't have to stop by just one success or one good result. You have to work. These works will compound into big results. To achieve these works will compound to achieve, to help you to achieve your goal. So you have to keep working because ultimately consistency is the key. If you will consistent, you will be consistent, you will achieve all results that you want. I hope you like it. Thank you.